Hey, first of all, sorry for not putting out any videos. We've been really busy, but we're going to try to get back in order and put some good videos out there with a lot of content. Today we're going to decide that we have decided to work on a Ford Explorer. It's close to 200,000 miles on it, and it needs some attention. We need to replace a few things like the spark plugs and the injectors. So we're going to get that done today. Right now we're heading over to AutoZone, so follow us as we go. All right, guys. Well, here we have the 2007 Ford Explorer. Unfortunately, we need to replace some of the parts. It already has close to 200,000 miles on the clock. And today we're going to replace the fan clutch. Our fan clutch, for some unknown reason, keeps switching off, and it really bogs down on the engine and so forth. So we went down to to AutoZone, and we picked up, we rented out this free kit. And we borrowed this tool, and this is the tool we're going to use to remove the clutch from the Ford, so we could go ahead and add a new one to the engine there. So follow us as we go. So far what I did was I removed the reservoir, the radiator reservoir from here. I already removed the main hose that goes from the radiator over to the engine block, and I'm trying to open some access so we could fit this 36mm tool that I borrowed from AutoZone, and we're just going to go in there and break this fan clutch, break it loose from there. But first I'd like to remove this little doodad, which is the connector. So we're going to use an 8mm right here to remove this little screw. And believe me, if you have an impact tool such as this, it makes your work a whole lot easier to get it done. So finally we got this loose, and now we take the 8mm wrench, which is right here, and we fit it right there on the clutch itself. And all right, you gotta figure out a way to jamming this up. It's turning. If you use this 72-inch tool set right here and apply it over the screws to the clutch assembly, and you take the 36mm and actually apply it to the nut of the clutch, it should hold it in place, and you're able to break it loose. There we go. All right, so we're breaking it loose, and now we have to remove the shrouder and everything, and get the whole clutch assembly out of here, and we should get this done real quick. Out with the old, in with the new. All right, we're finished here. It's, you know, like the famous words of my friend South Main Auto. He says, if I can do it, you can do it. And this is pretty simple, and it's easier than I thought. I mean, it really worked out pretty nice. Right now, we're gonna just start the car and see how it runs and how it performs. So let's check it out. Turn it over.
Yeah, I got it.
All right. Let's see this. Ricky. Alright guys, today we're also going to replace the horn. Unfortunately there's a short in this horn for some unknown reason, so I'm burning fuses left and right. To find this wasn't that easy. I looked up online and everything, and some said it was underneath the battery, but in reality with the Ford, the horn was found underneath here. So if you come down here, I had to remove this wheel well cover from underneath, and underneath this plastic, way up underneath here, we see the wiring to the horn, and it goes up in here in this area. So for you to get to it, you need to remove the wheel well. You need to pull back a little bit on this wheel well cover as well to get underneath here, where it's protected from the rain, storm, water, moisture. So it's located right here underneath your fender, front driver's side fender. So what we're going to do is I'm going to continue using this original bracket, and I'm just going to add these new horns to the original bracket because it has this this pin right here. So that's what I'm going to do right now, is just replace the corners. Alright guys, well unfortunately the new horns that I purchased does not fit the connectors. The connectors, and plus the sound of it was really nasty. I found out that only one of the original horns was functioning. The other one was, that one over there is burned out, no good. But I didn't like the sound of these, and plus these didn't connect, so I had to adapt. And what I did was I had some horns from a 2006 VW Golf, so I adapted them right here, and right now I just gotta solder the wiring and all. But the sound of it's much better. I really love the British sound of horns. So let's see how it sounds now with the new horns. Ricky, go ahead and there we go. Nice horn. Again. All right. We got it. So I'm just gonna close it up, solder the wires, make it look nice, and that's something maybe perhaps you might want to do as well. But again, remember, if you need to find your horn, it's right above the wheel well, right here. Real difficult to get to. You're going to need a 10mm socket to remove the whole bracket out of there, and so I adapted it right there to be a little easier for me to work with, and that's where it's going to be. Right now I'm just going to put the wheel well back in place, and that's call it a day. Ready?
Yeah. Cool. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Surge.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Listen, today we're going to work on the Ford Explorer. Yeah, I have to say that I forgot. Cisco, do it again, buddy.
Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Surge.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Hey, sorry we've been really busy, and we're kind of
It's not that hard.
I know it's not that hard, but so come as we go.
Come as we go.
Follow us as we go.
Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Surge.
Hang on, let me make this turn first, okay? What the heck? Why is this thing beeping?
Yes.
Oh, damn. We're right there close to the pump. All right, we're going to the gas station now.
All right, just go anytime.
Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Surge.
Morning, guys. Hey, good. again, Rick. See, it's going real loud.
Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Surge.
Hey guys, thanks for shoot.